cat lover. I'm sorry.
Ew. Kit Kat. Oh my god. So that what the noise is?
Such a dick. Look at the fucking size of her. Scumbag.
Мічка, вкусно?
Хлеба ешь, дура.
Хліба дай кошки.
I am so lucky to have this guy. Like, look at him. He is just so cute. Look at these thumbs. Look at his ears. He is just so perfect.
Perfect. Oh, you're so good, honey.
Are you serious? Yeah, alright. Is it because I said you can't have salmon right now? Is that why? Is that why? Whatever, it's already messed up anyways. What more can you do?
So good and tasty.
Happy. What are you doing?
Ôi, phải cái bên em thang nữa.
Ôi, nó nổi lên.
Nó uống đi.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
And it's all too much for little Lando Norris. 21 years old. He just needs a bit of sleep. He did have rather...
I think the bean sprouts in the cabbage just watered down.
Bella. Bella. Well, how do I pet? I don't know how. How do I pet?
How do I pet? How do we? Oh. Okay. There you go.
You're a very sweet girl. You get so many pets if you went to.
Hey. Oh.
Oh, they gave me a cat again. I asked for chicken nuggets.
Stop, it hurts. Ah!
I hear him. Hello. Hello.
Why the fuck is she just facing the wall? Athena.
Ruby.
Came home and this was on the ground spilled. It was full.
Literally to the brim.
Kitten.
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
Why are you in it? It's not a bed. That's a bed. Why do you do this?
Are you all tucked in? Mr. Handsome? Yeah. Oh.
Creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors.
Ya estoy en Córdoba con la miaju. ¿Cómo es, Lili?
This is the weather. This says it's cold. See, it says 32. It says it's cold.
She's like a lioness. Oh, she's getting ready. Oh, she's doing butt wiggles. Oh, that's so cute.
We realized we made a huge mistake. Huge. However, everyone thinks.
Stole the pickle. Hi.
And then he's so chill too. I can just do like the most outright weird things. Boom. There he is.
Kill John Lennon! Kill John Lennon!
When you're pregnant and just can't do life the same.
O que foi?
Better get that speck.
Nigga, where your mom at, nigga? Hey, nigga, where your mom at, nigga?
What do you think he's thinking about? Why is he sitting like this?
Friendly reminder that after 8 years, my husband's cat and my cat still dislike each other so much that they won't eat unless there's a divider.
Watch me! You, Debbie, James, Jamie, the fucking lot! Watch what happens! Tilted top for oh my god, kitty! From like just a
So I got home, I heard my cat meowing. I'm like, why hasn't he run over to me yet? Yo, dumbass.
Oh, who you? How dare you?
Jojo? What are you doing? Jojo? Girlfriend!
Kenny.
Oh! Pretty girl.
Literally, just watch. Go, put her down. Alright. Wait!
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
Well, seriously? That's what you get for fucking with the tree! Oh my god! Stop! Oh my god.
Today.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I am staring at you. I am staring at you.
Hey.
He is shoes. He is. Oh, wow, you shoes. Yeah.
Hey, have you seen my... Oh. Hey, man, what's up? Oh, it's been so hard these past few weeks. Like, my wife's leaving me. She's taking all the kids, and feel like I have no one. You know what that's like, right? Yeah. Good boy.
Good catch, buddy. Drop it.
Excuse me.
Are you okay, Rita? Why are you bluffing so much?
God damn. Oh my god, what is that?
To capture the province, but to draw you out.
Shit, bro? No problems.
Hey, don't bite!
No bite.
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She is not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
No.
Do you mind? Come on, get out of there. Thank you.
No, sorry.
Patrick, good. None of that.
Hi, I'm Trevor, and I guess whole egg crowding peanut and potato starch.
No, Freya. No, Freya. Stop.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, bro. Well. Yep. Get out of my hand!
God damn. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Okay. Yep, I'm just oh. Oh my god. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You doing good? Yeah. Yeah.
That's a wide stance, my guy. Super solid. No one's gonna tip you over. They could try, but you'd be like, nah, the stance is too wide for that.
Да здесь я, что вы меня ищете? Чего меня искать? Здесь я сижу каждый божий день. Чего меня искать? По какому поводу меня искать?
Piggy dipping! Piggy dipping at the piggy pond. Nah, you and Sausage swimming in the...
Bro, stop! Why are you doing that?
3, 2, 1. Rock battle! T'es gonflé, hein?
Bien. Oh là là, qu'est-ce que je suis bien.
On сидеть будет так?
Блин.
А, будешь бутерброды? Ну так долго сидеть будет.
Do you ever just wonder what goes on in your cat's head?
Did I get your beanies?
Hey, doing good day.
You dumbass! Guys, fucking ass. Hey! Hey!
Wow. Hello? Whoa. Hello?
Hey!
Why are you laughing at me?
Okay, you've got this. Push.
Okay, let me focus.
ركض بالبيت ما نزل على الصوفة نزل ويا كلب تعال هون
Sorry, nie mogę. Kuzyn. No nie mogę, jak ty siedzisz.
Hello. 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 Where's your bottle? Hello. Hello.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Jesus.
Peter, did you do this? Did you do this? Okay, well, that's not working.
Sometimes you gotta teach the cat a lesson.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand? That's what she said. And you know what? What was that?
Stop. Whatever you're doing, stop. Where'd you go? Stop! Hijo de tu chingada.
Pardon?
Get up. Get up. No, no sleeping. Up. Up. No napping during the day.
Hell, that is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
This is so crazy.
Pretty.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Down low.
Don't look at me.
Cálmate, cálmate.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
The time a cat broke into my house and I thought it was a bird.
Where is it?
Nova, why are you staring at me?
Jenny!
kitchen tile. You're so bad.
Maverick, baby, you don't need treats.
Bang. Bang. Bang.
Il mio superpotere non è arrivato subito, perché ogni superpotere si manifesta. E tu non lo
Gucci, why are you mad?
Sit over here. Sit over here. It's not that serious.
Sonny.
Gemuk ni, gemuk ni. Gemuk sangat ni. Gemuk sangat awak ni. Awak ni, cuba ni.
Is my little baby watching? Little stalker man. Look at that little hamburger bun head and the little ears. Love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the claymore kick from out of nowhere. Straight up
Guys, check out my cat. I think there's something wrong with her though. She's been making like weird sounds. Like, come on, let's go.
Are you embarrassed? Come on, buddy. Okay. Whoa.
You got both of us. Go get it, baby.
Oh my god. Are you kidding?
The fuck is that?
Drugs. Now
We're okay.
Drugs?
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Dude, what the fuck? What are you doing? Oh my god! Kit Kat! What did she do?
Get off my pizza.
Me trying to close the dishwasher. Oh geez. That's weird. How come it won't close all the way?
Ich will nur schlafen. Warum machst du das? Warum machst du das? Warum machst du das? Bruder,